The easiest way to get people interested in signing up with Save Club, either as a member or an affiliate, is inviting you people to click a link and just watch a video or videos that are already made. I like to do videos like this, so hopefully you get to know me a little bit. Hopefully you like me, trust me, and that's something that I'd sure appreciate. But at the end of the day, I think you appreciate my videos because I'm pretty in pink. Thank you very little. Okay, now Save Club. I joined during the first 30-day pre-launch. It focused a lot on the affiliate side. That's where you pay $60. You get a website. You get a page where people will go to put their information. And I'm going to show you this stuff. Put your info in, click, get an email, and you can join from that email from Save Club, or just get them every day for 30 days, believe it or not. One email a day from Save Club automatically on my behalf. And if you want to not get them anymore, just unsubscribe. But isn't it nice to know that if you join Save Club for $60, if people pre-enroll, they're just kind of like almost ready to jump in the pool. They got their little toe in there. They're checking it out. They're on the fence. They're like, show me some more information. I'm not just going to join the first email. How about the third or the seventh? If you look at statistics, 5 to 10 emails easily before people want to make a decision. But you got to remember this too. When people start hearing about Save Club, they're going to search around, just like you're probably doing now on YouTube, and just go to Google and put in Save Club and just see what's out there. Is there reviews? Any type of gossip? What's going on? What YouTube videos are there? And I do. Oh my God, I think I've made 300 and something already. Just in 39 days. That's how excited I am about this opportunity. I like it. I'm a big fan of Save Club. It saves me money. Over $900 my first 39 days. It's earned me about $1,000 a week. And on top of that, with the new funnel system, it's put in almost $1,000 as well, which I get month after month after month, and it grows aside from Save Club. I'm going to show you all this. But you just got to ask yourself, are you going to make a couple hours available per day, or maybe 10 hours a week? Or just instead of watching a movie, maybe post? You're posting probably on social media like Instagram, TikTok. My favorite is still Facebook. But everywhere, post like a maniac. Yes, like a big money-making moolah maniac. Okay, so I want you to look at my screen here. Let's see. I got my wrong card popped up here for some reason. Let me see if I can find this darn thing. Look at that right there. I wanted to show you this. Look, I own that. Moolah maniac. I think it's cool. I'm the only one that thinks it's cool. But I love Save Club. Yes. That's one link that I use. And look, I also have this one, officialsaveclub.com. Save Club Funnels. That's a good one. Okay, so I want you to definitely just focus on that. Okay, and then I want you to go to the official page, and it is right here, ladies and gentlemen, right there. Joinsaveclub.org. I want you to have a little orgy. Okay, joinsaveclub.org. Please click that. And you want to know what it looks like? Let's go on a journey, okay? So I put in joinsaveclub.org. It's going to go to this page, and you're going to have that too. The only difference, you can put your name or business right where I put mine. I just put welcome to Cory Draper's website because I want you to know it's me. Here's that video I was telling you about. It's about 6 minutes. It's just a YouTube video, and the host is our founder. His name's Charles. Now, if you like what you see or hear, and you're interested in more information or want to join, put your information right here. Name, email, phony, and go ahead and click that orange button right there. And you know what's cool? Pretty soon we have AI technology that will send you an email. If you want to put in your real email, awesome. If you put in your real name, cool. And if you want to put in your phone, guess what? Our AI, you can actually talk to it or it'll text you on my behalf. The AI takes over. That way, if I'm shy and I don't want to follow up on my leads, and believe it or not, you might be in that category. I'm not shy. When I see someone pre-enroll, I send them an email and give them my contact information, and I help them any way I can. But I understand, if you're new to this business, or even if you've been doing this 100 years, You just don't really want to deal with people that much because you're just an extrovert, introvert, or a pervert, whatever ends in vert, if that is you. I understand. I don't want to really deal with the public. I'm scared. So AI isn't, and I'm not. I'll help your downline if I can, at least 5 levels deep, because with our pay plan, if they make money, if you make money, I make money too. So my best intentions, my foot forward is a good step because I like to make money and I know you do too. So I want you to go. Do you remember the domain? Do I need to pop it up one more time? All right, let's do it. joinsaveclub.org. Click that and you'll check it out. Now, let me show you the funnel system. And this is $25. It's very cheap, but it's a video basically before this page here. And it's important. The reason why is it has more detail. It shows examples going in a restaurant, showing your cell phone screen and getting a discount before you pay. Online, putting in the information before, let's say, you buy flight or hotel reservations, or maybe entertaining things like concert tickets. Now, if you go to Home Depot or you go to, let's say, Subway Sandwich, you can just go in there and go to pay and then hold up your phone. And if discount is available, just show the cashier. And if you want to print something out, like right now, I'm in my studio. I have a computer hooked up to this home computer that I'm talking on right now through you guys, through the webcam. If I want to print out something like old school, I just hit the button and it'll print out in coupon form, whatever that deal is. So if I want to go to, well, let's just say Burger King. Let's say Popeye's Chicken, they're in there. And I want to go to Home Depot to buy something for, let's say I'm building a patio deck. Yes, I can print out my savings to go to Wendy's, to go to Burger King or Subway for a quick little fattening, high-calorie lunch, and then go to Home Depot. And if I have my coupon thing printed out, great. Some people are old school. It reminds you that use the savings. And a lot of people are going to go pay, and they're going to forget to show their phone. And I get it. I know I'm going to do that probably half the time. But get your phone open when you go to pay, show, let's say Home Depot, and get that deal. It could be $5 off, could be $50 off, could be 10% off your total bill. A lot of food items are like 2 for 1. Awesome. Why not? You're going to buy that food and drink and items, services, car repair. I could go on and on. There's thousands and thousands, and soon another 100,000 numbers of sales are going to be in the back office from Canada to Mexico. It's going to go worldwide. Every day, not one day goes by where somebody doesn't comment on my YouTube channel or just email me, which is Cory at corydraper.com. Like I said, I'll help you guys out. Even if you're not in my downline, get that funnel system. $25. It's a good deal, guys. I'll help you. Cory at corydraper.com. You can see my email on my business cards there. I get those cards at Vistaprint, by the way. $22, a big old box that'll last me for years. But yeah, get some business cards. And on a street level, don't talk about Save Club. Have them go to your own domain. I go to GoDaddy. They're $12. joinsaveclub.com. And then I tell GoDaddy for free just to forward to this page here. See that right there? saveclubtour.com/Cory Draper. Well, my username with Save Club is right there. So if your name is Bob Smith and that's your username, that's how you're going to have my same exact page, except it's going to go to you when people lock in here, get information, get a nice email from Save Club. And if you or anybody want to sign up, you just open that email up and follow the instructions. And then log into the back office. This is what it looks like. Here's the home page, saveclub.com, and then log in and fill in your membership information. Either it could be by the month, or if you want to join by the year, guess what? You're VIP and you get bigger bonuses. I did that. In the long run, you want to join by the year because larger commissions doing the same work, that's always ideal. Go to My Deals if you want to check out worldwide savings. Why not? Here's your information. Make sure it's accurate. Order history. Whatever you order, you just click there. My team, I got over 100 people already. Isn't that awesome? I'm very excited with that. When I go to, where's the leaderboard? Oh, there it is right there. Check it out. I'm at 100 and right here, look, I just hit 100. That puts me number 7 in the world. I'm pretty happy with that. And everything I do, I send you an email when you sign up in my group, my team. And I keep things simple and fun. Everything's cheap. Like I said, my funnel system and the way you join, in my opinion, very cheap. So if you officially join by going to joinsaveclub.org, it's $19.97 for the membership and $60 for the affiliate fee. So it's $79.97. Now, if you've already signed up in Save Club or not, you can get the funnel anytime. But I suggest you go to saveclubfunnels.com and look at what it does. There's a 20-minute video that explains Save Club a lot better, and I get more signups by using the funnel. It's $25. And the best part about it, if you use the funnel system, the company pays you $20 every time someone signs up every month, month after month. And I've earned over $900, almost $1,000 as of today in 39 days. So I'm going to get more people every week and every month using the funnel system. So if I have 200, 300, 400 people, which I know I'm going to have that many in the next couple months, 400 times $20, that's a good paycheck. So please look into that Save Club funnels. I want you to make money with the funnel, money with Save Club, but I want you to save money too. It's kind of a win-win-win. 3 W's. There, I can only do 2 with my 2 hands. I need to take off my slippers here and do my little toes to do the WWW. Okay, but I want you to get 3 wins. And why not? Same effort. Make this fun. This does not have to be complicated. You're inviting people to save money, not spend money. That's a darn nice thing. I saved $900 my first 39 days just on things that I needed to buy. I'm already hooked and sold just from a member. Even if there's no affiliate, I'm still not going anywhere. The Save Club thing, it's a darn good thing. It's helping my thing out. And my thing is saving money so I can go buy Hot Wheels and crazy stuff to put on my walls, evidently. So why don't I just show you this one more time? I'm a big fan of visual, so joinsaveclub.org. Let's just get you aboard this darn cruise ship. And I want you to look into the funnel system right there. saveclubfunnels.com for $25. All right, I'm done. I'm very happy that you watched my video and subscribed to my YouTube channel. And if I can help you, I will. Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's my email address, okay? All right, guys. Win, win, win. Let's do it. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.